that was a brand new gas pedal?
Yeah, brand new gas pedal. It was so bad because all the rust, it just literally, while she was driving, it just broke off. Gas pedal's brand new. Pretty much this car from front bumper to rear bumper is all brand new. We've done a lot of work on this car.
What year is this car?
This is a 77.
And you guys ripped open the floor, you said?
Yeah, we pretty much took the whole floor out, which was all rusted, broken. It was literally coming apart. So the whole floor is brand new from the bottom of the car, from the gas pedal to the floor. Front and rear complete suspension on the car has been redone, including the arms, the shocks, pretty much everything, motor mounts, transmission mounts, everything that you can think of from the front bumper to the rear bumper has all been replaced. Believe it or not, everything on this car works. That's the most amazing part about this car. You know, the AC, the whole AC system of the car, the heating system of the car. That's because of us taking really good care of the car and doing what's necessary to keep this car going.
Wait till you guys see the new color on this.
What are you guys doing to this car?
We're fully wrapping it, but we gotta wait on the color because we're still discussing it.
So that's a wrap?
Yeah, there's a wrap that we did a long time ago, and it just got into an accident, so we're gonna repair that and we're gonna rewrap the whole car.
So here we have a 2016 Ferrari California T. This Ferrari, we did 4 Giottos and we lowered it a long time ago, but the customer wanted to change up the color. So he wanted a very dark metallic burgundy color. We came up with this color. It's a really cool color. It's metallic burgundy, kind of has a little purple in it. We're midway into the wrap. Again, we took the whole car apart, doing it the right way. You guys already know here at RDB we don't discriminate our customers. We work on every type of car, every type of damage, whether it's huge Lamborghini crashes to very small bumper jobs. For instance, we got this new Infiniti in. The front bumper and grille was damaged, so we replaced the bumper, replaced the grille.
First of all, it couldn't be your fault.
We actually got a black grille for the customer too. He wanted to make it look a little nicer because he had a chrome grille before. So we finished up the Infiniti. It looks brand new again and the customer will be happy.
The brake pads are worn out on this car, so we're getting factory Maserati brake pads and we're about to change it.
brake service light is on, and the reason why is because right here on this side the brake sensor is already touching, so that's an indication, you know, it comes on and it lets the customer know that it's time for brakes, and it is time for brakes. So that's what we're doing right now.
In and out, and they're waiting.
Yeah, customers when they're waiting, it's pretty quick because we have everything available and the car is almost done. So another 15 to 20 minutes, we'll be done with the car and customers get to drive off, good to go. Until next time.
This is out.
Ninja Vic.
The Ferrari out. It's done. They put the Mercedes here.
Yeah, I do it. We're still gonna retain the black and yellow calipers with the black Forgiatos. The interior is that tan color, so it's gonna go really good with the color choice. Ferrari before. They're actually quite fun. So the old California was not turbo, and that car was a little boring. They really stepped it up with the California T. It was really actually fun to drive. Surprisingly, also in the stock form, it actually, I think it sounds better than the 488, which is crazy, but I think stock California T sounds better. Quick little Ferrari. These dogs are so funny. Friday dog.
That's for free.
It's a very dark maroon color, I would call it. I mean, it's got purple, red, black. It's just a mixture of all that. We've never done it before, so it's not really popular, but goes good with the interior and everything. So, and it's a Ferrari California T, so you don't want to get too wild with it. So I think it's a nice change. the next one.